Have you recently noticed that your parents might need a little extra help? Have they had a close call or a fall? Or you're just sensing that things aren't quite the same? The very first step to set up senior care is doing an assessment to see what care is really needed. First, take note of their daily activities. Are they able to feed themselves, dress themselves, keep up with housework and finances? Start with those three. If they're struggling in one of these areas, this is a huge red flag. If you see overflowing trash cans, unopened mail, an empty fridge, or piles of laundry, these little things can indicate larger issues like memory problems or reduction in motor skills. Next, watch how they move around. Are they steady on their feet? Are they holding on to furniture and grabbing things for balance? Check their feet. Are their toenails overgrown? Make sure their shoes are in good condition. Falls are a major cause of injury for seniors. Check for trip hazards, loose rugs, stuff on the floor that doesn't need to be there. A simple home safety check can prevent injuries before they happen. Now, memory lapses can happen to anyone, but if you notice confusion, forgetfulness, and or changes in personality, it might be time to dig a little deeper. Also check their mood. Are they withdrawn? Are they sad? Are they anxious? Depression is very common in older adults and it often goes unnoticed. If you're concerned, a doctor's visit can determine if it's normal aging or something more serious like depression or dementia. Next, take a look at their medications. Are they taking them correctly? Are there expired bottles or missed doses? Medication errors can be really dangerous. So if you're noticing inconsistencies, it might be time to step in. A pill organizer or automatic dispenser can make a world of difference. Finally, don't wait to start the conversation. Ask them, how do they feel about their current health? Ask them, do they want help with certain tasks? Ask them if they thought about long-term care options. Ask them what they want their sunset stage to look like, where they want to be if they can't take care of themselves, who they want responsible for their care if they can't speak for themselves. This is the time to have the conversation. These talks can be tough, but they are necessary. And if you need guidance, I've got a free checklist to get you started. Go to my link tree and download First Steps to Set Up Senior Care. Start your planning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, and share this with someone who needs it. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.